Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Last class we saw in chapter number 3 addition. Add the following numbers, right? Exercise 3.1. Add the following numbers. So first A sum and B sum we finished, right? So now we are going to continue with the sums now. C1, we are going to add 4,20,153 and 75,692. We are going to add 4,20,153 and 75,692. We are going to add these two numbers. Shall we add this now? First write the numbers in their exact places now. So first take the first number 4 lakhs. So 4 in the lakhs place. So like that you are going to write the numbers in their exact places. So 3 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, and 2 in the 10,000 place, and 4 in the lakhs place. Now take the second number 75,692. 2 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, and 7 in the 10,000 place. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add this. How will you add two numbers? First we have to add the ones place, isn't it? So first I am going to add 3 plus 2. 3 and 2. I am going to add 3 and 2. I am going to add 3 and 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Write this 5 below the ones place. Now shall we add the tens place now? Yes. 5 and 9. We are going to add 5 and 9. We are going to add 5 and 9. So 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, it's a 2-digit number. So write 4 here and this one is carried forward to the next place. That means the hundreds place. Now add the hundreds place now. Don't forget to add the carry over. Yes. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 in the mind. 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. With this 2, I am going to add the next number 6. Add and tell me the answer. Keep 6 in mind, 2 in the finger because we can add the numbers in any order, right? So after 6, I am going to add 2 numbers. 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So write 8 directly. It's a single digit number. So write 8 directly. There is no carry over here. Now add the thousands place. Shall we add the thousands place now? 0 plus 5. Tell me the answer now. 0 plus 5 is? When you add 0 to 5, what will be the answer? Yes, 0 plus 5 is 5. If you add any number with 0, the answer will be same. 0 plus 5 is 5. So write 5 here. Then move on to the 10,000 place now. At the 10,000 place, we are going to add 2 and 7. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, I am going to add 2 numbers, right? 8, 9. So write 9 in the 10,000 place. And is there any number to add here? So there is no number to add. So bring down the number in the lakhs place. So the answer is 4,95,845. 4,95,895. So first we have to add the ones place. 3 plus 2 is 5. So write it down. Then 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 I am writing it here. 1 I am carrying it over to the hundreds place. Now add the hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Then thousands place. 0 plus 5, 5. Then the 10,000 place. 2 plus 7, 9. Then the lakhs place. 4. Now we are going to add 37,542 and 8,01,342. We are going to first write these numbers in their exact places. So first take the first number 37,542. 2 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, TH is thousands place, 7 in the thousands place, and 3 in the 10,000 place. We don't have lakhs place here, right? So leave that. Now take the second number 8,01,342. This we are going to write in the number in their exact places. 2 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 1 in the thousands place, and 0 in the 10,000 place, and 8 in the lakhs place. Now shall we add this number? First add the ones place. 2 plus 2. We are going to add 2 and 2. Now tell me the answer. 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 2, I am going to add 2 numbers, right? 3, 4. Answer is 4. Write that below the ones place now. Now what you are going to do? Now add the tens place. So 4 plus 4. We are going to add 4 and 4. Now tell me what is the answer for this? 4 plus 4 is 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, I am going to add 4 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So write 8 it below the tens place. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. 5 and 3. I am going to add 5 and 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, I am going to add 3 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Now add the thousands place now. 7 and 1. I am going to add 7 and 1. Keep 7 in mind and 1 in the finger. After 7, I am going to add only one number. After 7, 8. So write 8 here. Next one, add the 10,000 place. 3 plus 0. 3, I am going to add 0. So the answer will be same 3, right? So write 3 directly here and 8. There is no number to add. So bring down that 8 below. So the answer is 8,38,884. What is the answer? 8,38,884. So first add the ones place, then the tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Tens place 4 plus 4, 8. And then hundreds place 5 plus 3, 8. Then thousands place 7 plus 1, 8. Then 10,000 place 3 plus 0, 3. Then 8. Bring down that 8. So the answer is 8,38,884. We are going to add 85,321 and 7,037. Shall we add these two numbers? First write the numbers in their exact places. So 85,000, first take the first number. 1 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, and 8 in the 10,000 place. Now what you have to do? Now take the second number, 7,037. So 7,037, 7 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, and 7 in the thousands place. Shall we add this now? Yes, first we are going to add the ones place, right? So 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1. Keep 7 in mind, add 1 to it. After 7, I am going to add only one number, right? After 7, 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So write 8 below this. Now move on to the tens place. 2 plus 3. Now tell me, add and tell me the answer now. 2 plus 3. Keep 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, I am going to add 3 numbers, right? 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So write it below the tens place. Then move on to the hundreds place now. 3 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number, the answer will be same. 3 plus 0 is 3. So write it below the hundreds place 3. Then move on to the 10,000 place, or thousands place. Now we are going to add 5 and 7. Shall we add 7 and 5 or else? Keep 7 in mind and 5 in the finger. After 7, I am going to add 5 numbers. 7 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. So 2 I am writing it here, and this 1 I am carrying it over the next place. That means the 10,000 place. Now shall we add the 10,000 place now? Yes, 1 plus 8 or 8 plus 1. So after I am keeping 8 in the mind. After 8 I am going to add only one number. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 92,358. 92,358. So first we have to add the ones place, then the tens place, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000. Now write the addends and the sum updine. What do you mean by addends? The numbers that we are going to add. That is called addends and the sum. What is the meaning of sum? The answer we get right. That is called sum. That we are going to write at the end. First we'll add the sums first. First we'll do the addition now. A sum. Copy it in your classwork, children. 4,723 and 3,68,912. So this we are going to add this two numbers. Shall we add these two numbers now? Write the numbers in the correct places. Take the first number, 4,723. So write this 3 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000 place, and 4 in the lakh place, right? Now take the second number, 3,68,912. So 2 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 8 in the thousands place, 6 in the 10,000 place, and 3 in the lakh place. Shall we add this now? Yes. First what you have to do? You are going to add the ones place, right? Now we are going to add the ones place, 3 and 2. And tell me the answer now. If you add 3 plus 2, what will be the answer? I'm keeping 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, I'm going to add 2 numbers, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 below. Yes. Now move on to the next one, tens place. Shall we add the tens place now? 2 and 1. Add 2 and 1 and tell me the answer now. Keep 2 in mind and 1 in the finger. After 2, I'm going to add only one number, right? So 2 plus 1 is 3. So write 3 in the tens place. Now move on to the hundreds place now. 7 plus 9. 9 plus 7 or 7 plus 9. Right, children? With 9, I'm going to add 7 numbers. With 9, I'm going to add 7 numbers, right? So 9, after 9, I'm going to add 7 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 7 is 16. After 9, I'm going to add 7 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 6 I'm writing it here. This one I'm carrying it over the next place. Thousands place. Now shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. Now 1 plus 0. Add 1 and 0 and tell me the answer now, children. Yes, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now with this 1, I'm going to add 8 more to it, or 8 plus 1. Keep 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, I'm going to add one number, 8 plus 1. After 8, 9. So write 9 here. Now move on to the 10,000 place now. 0 plus 6. If you add 0 to any number, the number will not change, right? So 0 plus 6 is 6. So write 6 below the 10,000 place. Shall we add the lakhs place now? Yes, 4 and 3. 4. We're going to add 4 and 3. After 4, I'm going to add 3 numbers. 4 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. So the answer is 7,69,635. What is the answer? 7,69,635. What is the question? Write the addends. Now tell me what are the addends here. So addends is 4,723 and 3,628. Write it down. And now the sum. What is the sum here? 7,69,635. Addends are 4,723 and 3,68,912. And sum, the addition, the answer we got right, that is called sum. So 7,69,635. So we are going to write the addends and sum updine. Second sum, we'll move on to the next sum. So we are going to add 75,648 and 28,503. We are going to add 75,648 and 28,503. Shall we add these two sums? And after that, we are going to write the addends and the sum updine. Now, first write the numbers in the exact places. First write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Then we can write. So, first take the first number 75,648. So, write the numbers in their exact places. 8 in the ones place. I'm taking the first number. 4 in the tens place. 6 in the hundreds place. 5 in the thousands place and 7 in the 10,000s place. Now move on to the next number 28,503. So 3 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place and 8 in the thousands place and 2 in the 10,000s place. Now shall we add this number now? Yes. First, how will you add the number? First you have to add the ones place, right? Now we are going to add 8 plus 3. 8 and 3. We are going to add 8 and 3. Now add and tell me the answer. You are going to tell me the answer now, children. I'm keeping 8 in the mind and 3. After 3, after 8, I'm going to add 3 numbers. After 8, 3 numbers. 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, it's a 2-digit number, right? So write 1 here and this 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the tens place. Now what you have to do? Now we are going to add the tens place. Now shall we add the tens place now? Don't forget to add the carry also. I'm adding it first. First 1 plus 4. Shall we add 1 plus 4? 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4 I'm going to add only one number. After 4, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So with this 4 I'm going to add 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. So write 5 below the tens place now. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now move on to the next one. Thousands place. Hundreds place. Add 6 plus 5. Add 6 plus 5 and tell me the answer now, children. 6 and 5. I'm going to keep 6 in the mind. After 6 I'm going to add 5 numbers, right? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's a 2-digit number. So write 1 here and this one you carry it over to the thousands place. Now add the thousands place now. 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1. 1 plus 5 is, after 5 I'm going to add only one number. After 5, 6. With this 6 I'm going to add 8 numbers. With this 6 I'm going to add how many numbers? 8 numbers. So after 6 we are going to add 8 numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. So 14 it's again a 2-digit number, right? So what you have to do? So write 4 here and this one is carried over to the next place. That means the 10,000s place, right? So now shall we add the 10,000 place now? Yes. 1 plus 7. 1 and 7. I'm going to add 1 plus 7. After 7 I'm going to add only one number, right? After 7 I'm going to add only 7 plus 1 is 8. With this 8 I'm going to add the next number 2. 8 and 2, tell me the answer now. 8 I'm keeping it here. 2. After 8, 9, 10. So 10, there is no number to add. So write number 10 directly. So the answer is 1,04,151. Answer is 1,04,151. First you have to add the ones place. 8 plus 3 is 11. So write 1 here and this one is carried over to the tens place. Then add the tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. So write 5 here. Then move on to the hundreds place. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So write 1 here. This one is carried over to the thousands place. Now add the thousands place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4, I'm writing it here. 1 is carried over to the 10,000 place. Then add the 10,000 place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So the answer is 1,04,151. See some. So and you're going to write the addends and the sub update. Add-ons, write the add-ons here. 75,648 and 28,503. Write the add-ons and sum up line. What is the sum? 1,04,151. You're going to write this answer, add-ons and the sum up line. See sum. 6,10,420 and 2,42,108. Shall we add these two numbers? And after that we are going to write the add-ons and the sum up line. Shall we? First, what you have to do? Write the numbers in the exact place. Take the first number, 6,10,420. 0 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 0 in the 10,000 place, 0 in the thousands place, 1 in the 10,000 place, and 6 in the lakhs place. Now take the second number, 2,42,108. Write in the exact place, 8 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place, 4 in the 10,000 place, and 2 in the lakhs place. Shall we add this now? Yes. Now add 0 plus 8 and tell me the answer. Now when you add 0 to 8, the answer will be same, right? 8. So 0, if you add 0 to 8, what will be the answer? 8. So write it below 8 and next move on to the tens place. Now add the tens place, same, 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0. With 2, I'm going to add 0. So I'm not going to add any number, right? So 2 plus 0 is 2. So write 2 below. Then move on to the next one, hundreds place. So shall we add the hundreds place now? 4 and 1. I'm going to add 4 and 1. With 4, I'm going to add one number. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, I'm going to add only one number. 4 plus 1, 5. After 4, 5. So write 5 below. Then move on to the thousands place now. 0 plus 2. 0 and 2. What is the answer? 2. Very good. So write 2 below the thousands place. Now move on to the 10,000 place now. 1 and 4. Add 1 and 4 or 4 plus 1. I'm keeping 4 in the mind. After 4, I'm going to add only one number. 4 plus 1 is 5. After 4, 5. So write 5 below this. Then move on to the next place. 6 and 2. I'm going to add 6 and 2. Lakhs place. Add and tell me the answer now, children. With 6, I'm going to add two numbers. Keep 6 in mind. 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8,52,528. Answer is 8,52,528. So what are the add-ons now? 6,10,420 and 2,42,108. Write the add-ons. And what is the sum? 8,52,528. 8,52,528. So first we have to write the numbers in the exact places, then add the ones place, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, and then the lakhs place. Add and write the answer in words. See, the sum is given in words. First, you're going to add that. First, write the first add and write the number in words. It is given in words. Change that into number. Add that, and the answer you'll get, right? That you have to convert again into words now. Shall we see now? So first I'll read. Add and write the answer in words. The question, it is given in words. Change that into number. You know that, right? So first we'll see the first one. 35,000. 35,400. 35,412. And 52,000. 52,690. The question is, we are going to add 35,412 and 52,690. Now, shall we write that in number? So, first take the first one, 35,000. So, 35, write the number, 35,000. So, 35,400. So, 412. 1, 2. So 35,412. Second one, 52,000. 52,000. It is in thousands place, right? After that one, comma. 690. 690. This we are going to add this now. So first write it is in words. Write that in a number. So 35,412. So 35412. 52,690. 52690. Now we are going to add these two numbers. Shall we add this now? Yes. We are going to add 35,412 and 52,690. Now add and tell me the answer now. First write the number in their exact places. 2 in the ones place. First number 35,000. So that I am writing 2 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place and 3 in the 10,000 place. Now second number 52690. 0 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place and 5 in the 10,000 place. Shall we add this now? First add the ones place. 2 plus 0. If you add 2 to 0, what will be the answer? 2. So write 2 below. Now next we are going to add the tens place. 1 plus 9. Add 1 and 9 and tell me the answer now, children. Or else 9 plus 1. 9. Keep 9 in mind. 1 in finger. After 9 I'm going to add only one number, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10. So write 10 here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So write 0. It's a 2-digit number, right? So write 0 here and this 1 is carried over to the hundreds place, right? Now shall we add the hundreds place now? 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4. After 4 I'm going to add only one number. 1 plus 4 is 5. With this 5 I'm going to add 6 numbers. With this 5 I'm going to add 6 numbers. Or else 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 6 I'm going to add 5 numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is again a 2-digit number. So write 1 here and this 1 is carried over to the next thousands place. Now shall we add the thousands place now? 1 plus 5. Add 1 and 5. After 5 I'm going to add only one number. 5 plus 1 is 6. With this 6 I am going to add 2 numbers. Keep 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Write 8 here. Now move on to the next place. 10,000 place, 3 plus 5. I am going to add 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. I am keeping 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So 88102. Shall we write in words now? Yes. 88. See, first 3 is the ones place. Next is the thousands place, right? So 88, it is in thousands period, right? So write 88,000. EIGHTY. 80. EIGHT. 88,000. THOUSAND. 88,100. 102. ONE1. HUNDRED. TWO2. 88,102. Clear, children? So first it is given in words. Change that into number. So 35,512. 412 and 52,690. 52,690. I've changed into number. Then I've added this. Add the ones place. Then the tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So the answer is 88,102. That we are going to write in words. So 88,102. One more sum is there for you. 3,46,000. 3,46,742. 3,46,742 and 2,67,000. 2,67,859. I'll repeat the question. 3,46,742 and 67,859. Now take the first one. 3 lakh. So 3 in the lakhs place. 46,000. So 46 in the thousands place. Thousands period. 3 lakh 46,000. 742. 742. 742. So 3 lakh 46,742. So 3 comma 46 comma 742. 3 lakh 46,742. Next one 2 lakh. So write 2 in the lakhs place. 67,000. 67,000 comma. You have to put comma right after each period. 859. 800. 2 lakh 67,800 59 right. So 2 lakh 67,859. 2 comma 67 comma 859. Now we are going to add these two numbers. Shall we add these two numbers? Write in the exact 3 lakh 46 742 26 7859 in the exact places. So 2 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, 6 in the thousands place, 4 in the 10,000 place and 1 in the lakhs place. Now take the second number. 2 lakh 67,859. 9 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 6 in the 10,000 place and 2 in the lakhs place. Shall we add these now? Two numbers. Add the ones place now. 2 plus 9 or 9 plus 2? 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 9, I'm going to add two numbers. 9, 10, 11. So write 1 here. This 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now add the tens place now, children. 1 plus 4. If you add 4 plus 1 or 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, I'm going to add only one number. 4 plus 1 is 5. With this 5, I'm going to add the next number 5. Add 5 and 5 and tell me the answer now. I'm keeping 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 5, I'm going to add 5 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1. 7. After 7, I'm going to add only one number. After 7, 1, 8. With this 8, I'm going to add 8 more to it. After 8, I'm going to add 8 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 8, I'm going to add 8 number. The answer is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So I'm writing 6 here and 1 is carried over to the next one. Thousands place. 8 plus 8 is 16. So I'm now add the thousands place now. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1. What is the answer? 6 plus 1 is 7. Now with the 7, add the next number 7. 7 plus 7. 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 7, you're going to add 7 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. So write 4 here and this 1 is carried over to the next place, right? And this 1 is carried over to the 10,000 place, right? Now shall we add the 10,000 place now? Now shall we add the 10,000 place? 1 and 4. Add 1 and 4 and tell me the answer now, children. 4 plus 1, 5. Very good. With this 5, I'm going to add 6 more. I'm going to keep 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 6, I'm going to add 5 numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 I'm writing it here. 1 I'm carrying over the next place, lakhs place. Shall we add the lakhs place now? 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1? 4. 4 plus 2. With 4, I'm going to add 2 more. 5, 6. Keeping 4 in the mind. 2 in the finger. After 4, I'm going to add 2 numbers. 5, 6. So the answer is 614601. So we have to add the ones place, then the tens, hundreds, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs place, right? So the answer is 614601. Write the number in words. Shall we write in words? 6 it is in which place? Lakhs place, right? So write 6 lakh 1 4, it is in thousands period. So 14,000. 14, it is in thousands period. So 6 lakh 14,000. FOURTEEN. 14,000. 601. 601. So that means it is in ones place. 601. 601. 6 lakh 14,601. Clear, children? Practice well the sums. Copy the sums in your classwork. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.